Hello everyone. Today we are doing a big EF4. Pretty big. Just for an EF4. Finally gone. Okay, that's an unusual way. And, wow. What's next? Game. Game on. Okay. And now we have a tsunami here. Here we go. Yes! OMG, yes, I got it. Me survive. So, looks like I survived this round. And where the heck was that? Okay. You just go right there? Okay, I guess you were set. So, okay, let's see. Let's stay at. Okay. Logan, I'm joining you. Huh?
We don't have much time left on that.
Okay. So, I'm not sure. Logan. Logan, look in the chat. Oh, yes, I saw it. Thank you. It's just starting. Well, it's showing the map now. Logan, you're going to have to help me, okay? Okay, double trouble. That means two, just like normal. This isn't, Tori, this isn't too bad. Okay, Tori, follow me. I know where to go. Find some loot first. Can you help me find some loot? Stop crawling. Okay, follow me. I'm running. And stay out of the center of the map. It usually occurs in the center of the map, right in front of this place, but we have some time. Look for loot, like items. Okay, get out. Follow me. Run. Or at least find the shelter. Okay, I'm right here.
Why?
Just follow me. I know where to go.
Help me.
Hold on. Let me locate it. Okay. Away. Just stay away from it. Okay, what is this? Okay, we have two AF4s. Okay, it's shifting. Sorry, that was me. Whoa, wait, stand back. Watch this, Tor. Watch this building. Tori? Where'd you go? Oh, I see you. Okay, these two tornadoes have 60 seconds. 1 minute. Ooh, that was close.
Logan, where'd you go?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Huh? Where are you, Tor?
I'm still here. Oh my god, no.
What's happening? Tori, if you die, you can enter the map. It doesn't matter if you don't get a reward. It just matters for fun. Wow!
Oh my gosh!
And just I'm paralyzed. Or you may see somebody that needs help. That might be me. Okay, the storm has dissipated. There won't be any more disasters. So I'm probably fine. And great, somebody got me. Wait. Smarty. Ooh! Okay, Tori, next round, acid rain. Okay, Tori, follow me. We're safe in here. We're also safe here, too. This is where the doomsday clock is. What? You survived, Tori! Tori, it says you survived!
Yeah, I survived.
Tori, come here. This is the doomsday clock. Okay, medium risk. We should be good. It says medium risk. Okay. Here comes the voting. Here comes the tip.